Hey guys, it's Jonah's YouTube channel. I'm back with another video. And for today's video, I'll be showing you guys these Wide Republic bird stuffed animals that I got. They're really cool. They actually make the actual sound that the birds actually have in real life. That's so cool. And I'm gonna tell you all about these birds. Guys, if you want to search them, go on Safari and search Wild Republic, and then they'll come up like it says Audubon birds, and then you click on that, and then they have a whole selection of them. And since my birthday is coming up, I'm probably going to get some more. So, guys, thank you so much for 26 subscribers. Now can we please make it to 27? So it's time to get to the fun. So first we're gonna play the sounds, and then they have these little tags that tell you all about them. So then I'm gonna read them. So here's a cardinal sound. Here's the blue jay sound. And here's the robin sound. You have a cheerful little song. Okay guys, now I'm going to start with the robin since he went last. Okay. American robin. The cheerful song of these birds is often considered a sign that spring has arrived in the northern states and Canada. Their distinctive red breasts, pointed bills, and dark upper parts and heads make them easily identifiable. Identifiability. I don't know. Okay. Robins are a common sight on lawns. Are often seen hopping along the ground in search of worms and insects. And then there's in like French, Spanish, and it even tells you where they live. So pink is permanent, orange is summer, and blue is winter. So they live in the winter in Florida, parts of Texas, and I don't know what other ones. And permanent, lots of states like New Jersey here. And the summer, New Hampshire, I can't read all of them. Okay, here is the blue jay now, since he went second. Okay, blue jay. The noisy blue jay is found in backyards in the United States and Canada, east of the Rockies. Their light blue feathers, distinctive crest, and perching calls make them easy to identify. They can be bold and may steal eggs from other birds' nests. I didn't know that. Their strong bills are well adapted for a variety of food, including insects, seeds, and nuts. They are frequent visitors to backyard bird feeders. And then again in different languages. Okay, last but not least, the cardinal. Northern cardinal. This is the male, not the female. It says collect them all when you go to widerepublic.com. Northern cardinal. Cardinals are found year-round east of the Rockies. Both males and females sing and have a variety of song types. Males are bright red with crested heads. Cardinals eat insects and seeds and can be attracted to backyard feeders with sunflower seeds or peanut butter seed mixtures. Cardinals are known for their loud, clear songs, and then in different languages. So guys, that's going to do it for today's video. Hope you enjoyed. Peace.